Welcome back to Daytime Live. The whole world is talking about this. The Supreme Court has ruled that TikTok will be banned this Sunday in the US. Now, joining us to talk about it is multi-talented comedian, social media commentator, actor, artist, and most importantly, friend to our show. It's Negus Imara. Welcome back, Negus.
Hello, thanks for having me, guys. I appreciate it.
Listen, we love you.
All right, first and foremost, who wrote that intro for Negus?
He wrote it himself. Himself.
Okay. Because when we hear multi-talented now, I'm like, that I don't need.
Put some respect on your name, Negus. Yeah.
Yeah, put some respect on my name.
Facts.
All right, so Negus, you're based in the US. And honest persons know that people know that you're Jamaican because you identify as a Jamaican. You're always pro-Jamaican in every way and shape and form. But how is this going to affect you as a Jamaican social media user, i.e. TikTok? How is it going to affect you in the US as well as other Jamaicans who are in the same space and the same country?
Well, first of all, a lot of Jamaicans are going to be without a job. You understand? Yeah, the TikTok thing is funding a lot of people's households. You understand? The live games, people who are in the content creation, they get paid to create content like I do. So, we won't be able to get paid creating content anymore because, Instagram don't pay anymore. They used to pay for reels. TikTok, they pay for content. So it's like a lot of us are going to be without a job now. And it's very unfortunate, but like what Nisha said, I'm very talented. I have 5 million jobs. So TikTok is I'm just going to bring TikTok for the country,
That's because you are proper Jamaican. Because, we don't have one job. We have enough job.
We have multiple jobs, yeah.
Facts. So, but serious thought though, Negus, a lot of persons are talking about the fact that TikTok is being banned in America. But how will this affect persons who are Jamaican on the island, in Jamaica? What's your thoughts on that?
You have to remember now, like a lot of I feel like majority of their supporters, they are based in the US. So it won't be banned in Jamaica, but their supporters won't have access to the app. So, they won't have anybody to shoot for them in these games. If you know the TikTok games, they call it shooting for your person. So they won't have the support anymore. So they'll have the app in Jamaica, but barely any support, and that's unfortunate.
Got you.
You have raised some issues about the local TikTokers, how they use WhatsApp. Is there any way that you'd like to see more from how Jamaicans utilize the app?
Not WhatsApp, TikTok app.
TikTok?
Yeah, the app. Yeah.
How Jamaicans what?
Yeah, so the local TikTokers, how they use the app. So
right,
you've
TikTok,
raised some questions, some really good issues about how they use the app. So how would you like to see more from Jamaicans using the app? What more can we do here?
Honestly, I just want to say more positivity from us. You understand? It's a lot of contention, but you have a lot of people that use the app for good things. You have people like Swissley, very motivating. We want to see more positivity on the app, less drama and all these things, more creativity, especially with young kids. Them like you have some young kids on TikTok right now, like you can see them 5-10 years from now being some really good actors and actresses, and they're utilizing the app in such a beautiful way. I'm like, I've like nothing but well wishes and hope for them make it. You understand? So more positivity and less contention.
Yeah.
More some people do good. You understand? But I talk to Donald Trump one day, and I'm gonna think Donald Trump in my body. I talk to him one day. You know what I'm saying?
What I'm saying?
I'm gonna save TikTok. It's not going anywhere. I'm saving it. I'm saving TikTok.
Negus, remember, this is one of our 5 million jobs out here. Don't play
Don't
with
upset
it.
the job.
But ever since it was announced that TikTok was going to be banned, TikTok was going to be banned, persons have been looking for alternatives, and Red Note has has been an option, or in some cases been the option. 2 questions. Have you tried it?
Yeah.
And if you haven't tried it, have you gotten any feedback about Red Note and its offerings?
Yes. So Red Note, the American people are rebellious right now because the USA is saying that the Chinese is getting American data. So because they're banning the app, Americans are rebellious right now and they're purposely giving the Chinese people their data by joining Red Note because that is indeed a Chinese-owned app. So I heard, I tried it. I don't know what it is because I miss this beer scribble. You understand? And I don't want to go to Google Translate to go and translate these foreign languages. So I downloaded it and I tried to sign up and I said, you know what? I don't speak this language. I'm going to leave it alone. But there is another option out there where Swiss Lee them and some other famous TikToker. It's called Favorited. And
Yes.
they're going over there right now, and it looks like TikTok, but it doesn't have the content portion. It's just for live videos. You can only go live on it. So that's where everybody is heading in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Like all of the famous Jamaican TikTokers, they're going over to Favorited. But I honestly don't believe that TikTok is going to be banned, honestly. I don't believe so.
All right. So, Nigos, we love you. First of all, we want to know, we have 2 seconds. If it banned, where you go? How can we find you on social media? And how can we keep hearing the letters and things from all the various artists, them, as you write the note, them, from the people? Where you are go, and how we can find you on the social media?
Facebook, Nigos Imara, YouTube, Nigos Imara, Instagram, Nigos_Imara 2. I'm going to continue doing my work because an app gone doesn't stop anything. You understand? We keep pushing. You can find me on all the major social media platforms. If TikTok gone, I'll find somewhere else to go. Isn't it?
Yeah, as long as you keep updated, we can't lose you. Thank you so much for joining us. We love
Thank you guys for having me. Duffy.
If you need security, let me know, yeah?
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you, Niggas. Bless up. We'll see you soon. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support each other as a community. My name is Nisha again on all social media platforms. Dr. and Shepherd on all social media platforms.
I'll be back on Tuesday. Chat, vibes, buzz, mix. Even though outside, people stay safe for the weekend for the persons driving to country this tomorrow or later on. Leave out early, please.
Thank you, guys.